Welcome to our detailed comparison of four popular diagramming tools: Miro, LucidChart, Visio, and Draw.io. These tools are widely used for creating flowcharts, process diagrams, organizational charts, wireframes, and more. They all provide a range of features and functionalities that can be beneficial to different types of users. In this video, we will be evaluating these tools based on their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users. All four tools offer a wide range of features, but there are some differences. Miro and LucidChart are robust, offering features like real-time collaboration, extensive template libraries, and integrations with other platforms. Visio, on the other hand, stands out with its advanced diagramming capabilities and industry-specific shapes. Draw.io is more straightforward, focusing on ease of use and simplicity, but still offers a good range of basic diagramming features. Pricing is where we see some clear differences. Miro and LucidChart both offer free plans, but their premium features come at a cost. Visio doesn't have a free plan, and its pricing is on the higher end. Draw.io, however, is completely free to use and doesn't offer any paid plans, making it the most cost-effective choice. In terms of user experience, Miro and LucidChart have intuitive, user-friendly interfaces. They're easy to navigate, making it simple for users to create and collaborate on diagrams. Visio's interface is more complex, with a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. Draw.io, while not as feature-rich, is straightforward and easy to use, making it a good choice for beginners or those with simpler needs. When it comes to integrations, Miro and LucidChart are clear winners. They both integrate with a wide range of third-party applications, including Google Drive, Slack, and Jira. Visio integrates well with other Microsoft products, but lacks the extensive third-party integrations of Miro and LucidChart. Draw.io also offers some integration options, but they're more limited. Performance-wise, all four tools are reliable and responsive. In terms of security, Miro, LucidChart, and Visio offer robust security measures, including data encryption and compliance certifications. Draw.io also ensures data security, but its measures are not as comprehensive. As for support, Miro and LucidChart provide extensive resources and responsive customer service. Visio and Draw.io's support are less comprehensive. Scalability-wise, Miro and LucidChart excel as they can support businesses of all sizes. They're also ideal for teams that need extensive collaboration features and integrations. Visio is best for large businesses needing advanced diagramming, particularly within the Microsoft ecosystem. Draw.io is ideal for individuals or small teams with basic diagramming needs and budget constraints. Based on our comparison, Miro is the overall winner. It offers a rich set of features, extensive integrations, and excellent scalability. Its user-friendly interface and robust support make it suitable for a wide range of users. However, each tool has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and the size and type of your team. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope it helps you choose the right diagramming tool for your needs. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this one. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.